Hey guys, it's me Amani, and today I'm going to be telling y'all all about this nice braided wig from IziWigs. Let's get right into the unboxing of the wig. I'm just so excited to get into it. Right in the box, it says IziWigs on the outside. You know, their website, www.iziwigs.com. Use code Amani20 for 20% off. And here we have a nice, cute, light pink braided wig. I'm going to have the link to the direct item in the description, and you can click that and get yours. And per usual, there are also other goodies in the bag, which just comes with a wig cap, a hairnet, this cute pink comb with like star cutouts, and some extra clips if you need them. Oh my gosh, the braids is giving Nicki Minaj and Motorsport. Watch your man, then you should watch your mouth. Oh my goodness. They are long. This is just how the front looks. It is so freaking cute. The braids look amazing. I cannot wait to put this on my head. So let's just go ahead and get it right on, baby. I'm so excited that I don't have to bleach any knots. I don't have to do any plucking. Like, the way that it fades into the braid still looks really good. The lace, the color of it is not exactly my skin tone, but I have laced it and I know I'll be able to make it look really good. So let's just get into the transformation. I got the baby hairs out. I'm finna do the wig cap method with the bolt hole instead of like got to be glue. And now we wait. Pretty much just gonna cut the lace right where the baby hairs are. So I put the wig on and I outlined where I want it to basically start. And now we're putting on our glue. So now I'm gonna take some bolt hole lace tint and caramel. Blend it with this. Alright, so now I'm just gonna try to, I might need to wrap this again. Alright, $100. $100 for a braided wig. I literally thought braided wigs were like $500. Let me kind of play around with it. Cause like, look at how light they are. This effect, the hair is so light I can't even really see it. So me doing the edges is just like a bonus Jonas at this point. It's pointless. I'm really blown away by this. The braids came out cute though. I'm glad I didn't have to sit in nobody's chair for 3 hours to get them. Honestly, I normally wait to give reviews, but since this is braids, like I don't have to tell the quality of the hair. This is bomb. Like, y'all, look at how I look. I look like yes and you look like no. I love it. I love this hair. Of course, I'm gonna show y'all some pictures and videos of me and the hair looking good. So if y'all love this hair, I'm gonna have all the details for it down below. Definitely click down below. And if you want to see me basically getting ready and glowing up into this wig, then stay tuned to the end of the video or click up there and you can see my New Year's get ready with me / vlog, you know what I'm saying? And you know, just enjoy the glow up with me, period. Because I got this look in like 30 minutes. It didn't take me 2 hours to sit in no chair, no ma'am. And the wig came, it shipped super fast. Like, it came very, very fast. Y'all can use code Amani20 for 20% off. I'll also have that down below and the direct link to the wig. Thank y'all so much for watching my quick review on this wig. I love it. Like, if you want a braided wig and you don't want to be spending hundreds of dollars, link is in my bio. Click it and get this. Like, they have different colors, not just this one, and they're so long. Like, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, y'all need to tap in with IziWigs because this wig don't make no sense. Bye.